Would you take 10 for all three?
Oh, no.
No?
Making me swerve, making me swerve, making me swerve, making me swerve, making me swerve.
All right, Saturday morning, heading out to garage sales. Pam's got the packages.
Yeah.
Normally, guys, I would be carrying the packages. I'm just filming, so she offered to do it. I'm not making her carry them.
But you said I got $5. Can I really have $5?
So sales look, I don't really know. It's gonna be kind of a freestyle today. I don't know how the sales are gonna look or what to really expect. So we're just gonna hit the ones that are on the yard sale treasure map and see what we can find. Morning.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How you doing?
Good. How much are the boots?
What?
I don't think there's a price on them.
Oh, I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know, $3?
I was gonna say
5?
$5.
Okay, I'll do that.
That'll work then, right?
Yep.
What size are they?
They're, I think they're 7.
They're small. You know what? They're small.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, just 5.
What's this? What? Oh, those Hershey ones. That's crazy. It's kind of cool. Rolls Royce radio.
I mean, he's probably too cool.
Yeah. The fiddler.
The figures that we had.
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay.
It's kind of cool. Hold that. Do you want a bag? I have a bag in my back. Pack. Okay. How much are your figures here?
Here's the story. I haven't meant to put those up.
Oh.
There's they're very expensive.
Yep.
However, none of them work
Okay.
appropriately.
Okay.
That one in particular, which I loved, what's the thing? It's been glued. Yeah, it's been glued. However, I figured they're still worth $5 because they're really nice looking.
Okay.
However, they are very dusty.
That's all right.
So, but just $5.
Are any of them broken other than this one? Like physically?
No, that's the only one that is glued.
Okay.
You're welcome to take them out and look at them if you want to. No problem.
All right.
But they're still they're still really cool.
Yeah.
You know, which is just that.
Oh, I see right there.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
But if if it was if it worked, and actually a few of them make a sound, but they're just not quite.
They just don't.
Right, but,
yeah.
If it was in working condition, they could sell for like $60 or whatever.
Yep.
Look at that, you got the skill.
I got it down, right?
Yeah.
Too bad they don't work, huh? They are really cool.
I know that people sell them for parts.
Yep.
To repair, and if you're handy, I mean, like I said, I put batteries in them.
Yep.
And there was one, I know the one in the back actually made some kind of, started to play music, but it wasn't continuous.
Yeah.
But, they might just need a little tinkering.
Okay. Would you take 10 for all three?
Oh, no.
No?
They're worth 5. I really feel strong.
Okay.
I mean, I think that's like bare bottom. But I don't blame the grass.
I'll take the 2 that are, intact.
Okay, that makes sense.
Um,
Yeah.
Actually, I'll just look at this one.
Yeah, like I said, they're just they were in my mother-in-law's home.
Yep.
Dusted, and I did spend some time trying to clean them, but
Yeah, and that's
realized
okay.
they didn't work perfectly. I was like,
It's all right. Cool. That one's kind of crazy. It's a clown.
yeah. Well, I do have one that works that I have. It's the trumpeter.
The trumpeter, yeah. Cool. I'll take these two then.
Okay, sure.
Oh, I'm like, where's my wife? There she is.
Oh, they're relaxing.
You're just sitting with a pile of stuff in her lap. Do you want a bag? I got a bag in my backpack.
I can probably, I can come up with
He literally brings bags.
Oh, you got some snow globes too, huh?
Yep.
How much are those?
I just want
3?
yeah, there's nothing wrong with them.
Okay. I'll take them. My thing?
Right there.
So I said 5 for the
5 on the boots, yep.
and then I said it was used for like 2 seconds, just but $2 for this is
Yeah, that's fine. Yep.
So 7, and you got 8, 9. So
We'll put these in a bag. What did you want for the speaker?
it's new. It's
Okay.
not been opened. So probably like 4.
4?
Yeah, I think it was $20 new.
Okay. All right, we'll get that. And then, so what's the total there with that?
So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this will make 13.
13.
Oh,
And
you
then-
have a bag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He literally has.
Why am I doing this then?
You're good. Because
So-
you're a good. What is it?
13, so that's 23.
And then these are 3 apiece.
Yep, so that's 29.
29.
And this,
Is that used or new, or I didn't even open it?
I honestly,
It's a radio?
It is. I honestly don't. We haven't tried it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's obviously.
Is he
Hey,
a
puppy.
mama's boy?
Oh, wicked. If you want to take a look at
Sure,
it.
I'll look at it.
I have an idea that it probably was never used.
Okay.
Is that how you get bigger than all the other puppies? They get like that.
He's a good little guy, but he wants to be held all the time.
Oh. Was he held a lot when he was little?
Well, he's only a year and a half. I've had him
Oh.
10. Yeah, so like I said, I don't know.
It's a little busted.
Yeah.
This thing fell off. I might be able to fix it, though. I don't know.
Little blue.
Yeah.
Does it? What's the take the batteries? I can grab some batteries.
Uh,
Oh, I gotta unscrew it.
yeah. Looks like maybe a AA. I don't know. That's okay, though.
No, you don't want to try it.
No, that's all right.
Okay.
You take $1 on the car where it's broken? No? I'll have to pass on it then.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. Because I don't just because it doesn't work.
No problem. Here we go. So 29 total, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much is this chair? That she's
That
sitting.
one?
She likes it.
I thought it was quite comfy.
I think it's cool. Alex has a
Yeah.
little book holder. And then I
Yeah, that is cool.
It might be
Just 5.
$5.
Can I have $5?
That's
20,
real-
25,
that's
30.
dedication. I I've never sat on the bed with my dog.
No?
But, and of course, I don't think I'd sit on his, but the others,
Hey,
the
don't
others
get
are all
any
too
ideas.
hairy.
There we go. 34.
All right, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. So those are yours? Yeah, just like, nope.
Oh,
Like bring the two.
like this? There we go.
That's what I'm trying to get. I couldn't get it out of my mouth.
Oh, awesome. Thank you very much.
You want to take the bag and I'll take this?
Yeah.
Or is that too heavy?
No, I
I
got
like
it.
that chair. Thank you.
Have a good
Bye,
one.
Loki.
Those snow globes are heavy.
Yeah, my chair don't go.
I was really surprised that she didn't work with me on price on some stuff. Like that little, it was like a Rolls-Royce radio. It was like a 1930s Rolls-Royce model car, but it was a radio. It took a battery. I was looking at it and the thing was beat up. Like it was bent, the bumper was broken. I'm showing her. I'm like, this is broken and you know, I don't know if it works. And I could see that the battery area was like corroded too, because it was just, and it was really dirty. And I'm like, will you take $1? And she was like, nope.
We're at what, 29, so you're
Yeah,
trying to get it even.
yeah, I was just trying to make it an even $30. We ended up buying the chair anyway. So, you know, I brought it up to 34 or whatever, but
At what price would you say no chair?
I wouldn't have paid more than $5 for it, which is what we paid for it.
I like that chair. I'm
But-
excited. I'm gonna go sit in it later.
And then also those like little musical figures too. One of them was broken. She wanted 5 a piece and there was 3 of them. And I was like, well, you know, I was stressing the fact like, oh, this is broken. Like, you know, the other ones are good though. We could take 10 for all 3. And she's like, nope. I'm like, all right, you can keep the broken one then. Whatever. And I wasn't really even haggling for the most part. But yeah, her dog was cool. All right, so we're back home now. It was actually a really, really good day of garage sailing. We went to a ton of yard sales. Wasn't only this one. You guys will be seeing that in the coming week. But
It's raining.
it is raining out. Timed that perfectly. But we got a lot of awesome stuff at this sale. We spent a total of $34. Most of it is for resale, except for the chair. Pam wanted that chair for the deck.
For my tush. So I can read out in the sun.
Yeah, it's actually
Obviously that's not gonna happen today.
It's actually a really nice chair for $5. I thought that was a good deal. So we got that chair, and then so technically everything that we bought to resell, we spent $29 on. And there's some decent stuff here. These figures, I am gonna have to pull them out and test them because she did say that they play music and they move. I think their feet and heads move. She had 3 of them. One of them was broken and had been glued, so I left that one behind. I didn't want to deal with it. And then these ones are solid. We have an organ grinder, it says. I guess he, oh, so the monkey moves and then his arms and head moves, and then I'm assuming he's cranking the organ. So that one's cool. I don't know if it works though, that's the thing. She said that they had issues, so we'll have to test them. And then this one is kind of a little creepy. This one's called Spotlight Clown's Banjo. Melody in Motion is what these are called. And I haven't even comped them out yet or anything. I'm not sure if they're worth a whole lot. She claimed that they were worth some decent money. So he strums his banjo, and yeah, so we got those 2. We spent $5 a piece on these, so that was $10 for those. I grabbed this pair of Timberland boots. These are really, really nice. They have not been used much at all. I think these were $5 as well. As you can see, the bottoms are like brand new. They're a little dirty. You just gotta clean them up. On these, I'm assuming we'll get at least 35 to 40. I would think. They're a really nice pair of boots. Timberland boots are actually a New Hampshire company. They're made right here in New Hampshire, so.
I wish they were my size.
Yeah, these look like you. They're definitely too big for you though.
Do they look like me?
Well, they look like something you'd
Do I
wear
look
is what
fuzzy?
No, that's what I meant. They look like something you'd wear.
Well, actually these ones are fuzzy.
Yeah. Yeah, you're wearing some fuzzy boots right now. This is like I think it's a pretty low-end speaker, but it's brand new in the box. That's why I figured I would grab it. It's a Bluetooth speaker, and I don't know, maybe like $15 on this. I'll have to look it up, but paid $4 for that. Got this Amazon Echo Dot. This is the 2nd generation Echo Dot. She says that it was used just once and then put back in the box. So yeah, it is open.
Said for 3 or 2 seconds.
Used it for 2 seconds, she said, yeah. But I looked these up. These are going in used condition, like $15, especially where it has the box. I might be able to get closer to 20 on it, but not bad there. And then grab this extra burner by Muncie. I'm assuming this is vintage. It looks pretty old. But it's brand new in the box. I opened it up. It's still in all the packaging and everything. So that's cool. I don't think it's very, maybe like 15 to 20 on that as well. Not super valuable, but lots of good little bread and butter stuff here. And then we got these snow globes. Sometimes snow globes can be really good, especially with Christmas coming. These are great ones for winter. These are holiday snow globes. Pick these up for $3 a piece. They're very heavy. Very, very heavy. So I'm assuming they're big. I'll have to pull them out. Oh, wow. Yeah, so these things are cool. Let it snow, it says. I think they play music. Pretty sure they do. Here's the other one. This one says let it snow as well. It's kind of cool.
Hey, instead of Christmas, we should do like some other holiday. We're gonna make a different holiday.
So anyway, pretty decent haul today. We did well the rest of the day as well, so keep an eye out on the channel for that. It was a lot of fun.
We got to meet a cool person.
Yeah, we got to meet somebody really cool, so that will be coming this week. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and hope you guys found some cool stuff this weekend. Let us know if you found anything cool down below. But we will see you soon. Bye.
Bye! Keep dreaming, you crazy dreamers, and maybe we'll show up at your yard sale.
Let's go.